day of Gely postcard play, hosted by Ceri Griffiths. 31 postcards featuring a gel printed image or element throughout the month of July. So I've got my recycled postcards here. I'm going to shuffle to select what I'm going to decorate today. If one falls out during the shuffle, that's the one I'm going to do, but otherwise it'll be the one in that position when I'm finished. Okay, there we go, and we're doing this one, very purple. I have to think about what I'm going to do with this. I need to find some way of bringing out that gold, I think. Maybe a little bit of stenciling. So I'm going to have a little think about it. Okay, so what I've got is my little treasury of flower fairies, and I've picked this one. I've partially cut it out, and I thought I would locate this little one over here on the side. And then I found this, which was a prototype I made for some pop-up butterflies. I thought I would take off a couple of them. They've got like, it's acetate, so I'll take a couple of them off and pop them in there as well. And then I will do a little bit of stenciling with perhaps some white or gold, and of course put a border around it. So that's the plan, Stan. Okay, so I need to do a little bit more fussy cutting on this. This image actually went off the page, so I need to make it look like it didn't. And I'll take it off when I glue, take it over the edge, and then I'll trim it. Okay.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming, save you a space for a dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming,